Hello everyone, let's talk more scandal lyrics. Today I want to talk about the time when umshini wemali said when udlalile ngami ngcono siyeke ngcono sihlukane sekukaningi uyiphula inhliziyo yami ngcono siyeke ngcono sihlukane, because in life it has to get to a point where ubona nawe ukuthi kungcono ngiphile ngaphandle kwalo muntu kunokuthi eloku lo muntu ekhona empilweni yami but izenzo zithi azifuni ukuba khona empilweni yami. Kunokuthi umuntu eloku ekuphula inhliziyo akungcono niniyeke, ngcono nihlukane. Akasho ukuthi udlalile ngami ngizolinda kuze kudele inhliziyo bese kuyimanje ngikuyeka, but uthi nje ngcono manje siyeke manje, because in reality lento leyo ukuthi kodele inhliziyo it barely ever happens. It barely ever happens ukuthi inhliziyo idele umuntu wena usambambile la eduze kwakho. It takes ukuthi asuke kuwe ukuthi ubone ukuthi no man, yazi bengi-exaggerate ukubaluleka kwalo muntu empilweni yami, they're not really that important ngoba engasekho eduze kwakho. Abona once ngendluzula wathi ngcono siyeke ngcono sihlukane, once you choose yourself, because at the end of the day lento eshiwo umshini wemali, it symbolizes ukuthi I'm finally learning to choose me, because awusho ukuthi asiyeke ngomlomo but uyadlala ngami, kukaningi futhi uloku uyadlala ngami but awungiyeki. So ngcono mina ngithatha isinqumo sokuthi cha asiyeke asihlukane, because maningi kakhulu ama-relationship especially with women. Abantu besilisa sometimes bayasala singaboni, umuntu akwale nje ngezenzo kodwa ngomlomo lokho ethi ngiyakuthanda mama. Thina sivele sifuna ukuhlala, umuntu uyakwala ngezenzo kodwa sifuna ukuhlala ngoba akakasho ngomlomo ukuthi uyakwala, we else ngezenzo usekwaleka u10,000 uloku bekezelile, umuntu udlala ngawo uloku bekezelile. So I think what umshini wemali is saying is very important, ukuthi zikhethe wena. Angithi umuntu udlalile ngawe, do not continue giving them the platform ukuthi bedlale ngawe, ubone ukuthi udlala ngawe. Ngcono kuyekwe ngcono kuhlukane, like have standards ukuthi mangabe have standards and needs for a relationship okuyona, and if the standards and the needs are not met, thatha phela isinqumo sokuthi ngcono uyekwe ngcono kuyekwe ngcono kuhlukane ngoba your standards and needs are not being met in that relationship.